We're on to another phase of the kitchen remodel, and I'm gonna finish up by putting Ultra Smartcore, this same flooring. I'm gonna extend it out into the breakfast nook area, and this floor has been an absolute drag to get up. You got two floors here. These are some sort of vinyl tile. Sometimes they come up two at a time. Sometimes most of the time they just chip off. Not even the whole tile. It's been a real sticking point on this project. But then we got some, looks like linoleum that looks like bricks. There's a better shot of it. So there's two floors on here. That floor is not coming up. Linoleum's a drag to take up. So I'm just going to run this Ultra Smartcore over it. One thing about Ultra Smartcore, it's pretty forgiving. Your floor doesn't have to be perfect. So then we're going to move, this will be a butcher box countertop, 8 feet. We got the one cabinet. We got two more cabinets on the way for the big box store. Because I get my super duper employee discount this time of year. This old drawer base is going with me to California. It'll go in the kitchen there. So it's a 4-drawer. Now they only come in, the stock cabinets only come in 3-drawer. So we've had that for a long time. So that's where I'm at, slowly chipping this vinyl tile off the floor. Alright. I got it tied in with the old floor. And I made this cut along here. I don't have the benefit of my table saw. It's out in Grand Rapids. So I got that in. These next few courses will be pretty easy. You work left to right, lock it in. First on the ends, then on the sides. Works pretty good.